Welcome to 6 through 10 empty hand strikes. Here we go. Starting with 1, reverse punch, back fist, ridge hand, knife hand, hook, reverse knife hand, and back fist, and from back fist we do a downward elbow strike into our hand. Boom, and boom, up. See, at an angle, and then same thing, other hand, and boom. Now, as we turn our hips, we go straight up. This hand is right here. We hit our hand, and okay. And going through now 6 through 10 again. So we reverse knife hand, back fist, and downward angle elbow, upward angle elbow, downward angle elbow, upward angle elbow. Now vertical elbow, boom. And the hips drive these motions, you'll see. Boom. Okay, so a little bit of detail here. So after we did our number 5s, you'll notice that I did my hook and I brought this hand across right here to protect my face and my ears and my nervous system. And then I'm going to turn to the right while my left hand strikes outward, creating power, moving the hips in the opposite direction. And then I bring this hand up and boom, same thing. And now turning the hips, back fist. Turning the hips, back fist. Good. And from there, this hand is ready. Gonna come up with the elbow, drive it with the hips. And then drive the hips up with this elbow, boom. And drive the hips down, and up, and boom. So here, and here. Now, pay attention and know that these hands, when they're doing this, is not a fancy way of making sound or, making it look cool. These are functional movements. If I grab somebody's head and I elbow, I'm bringing it into my elbow, right? From here. If I grab somebody's head, vertical elbow, boom, right? So we're creating equal and opposite movements. We're working with yin and yang here. There's little subtleties, and it just takes time. All right, enjoy. If you have questions, send some questions over.